Hey garden people, today we'll show you how we prep and plant our ranunculus. You ready?
We ordered our ranunculus from Renee's Garden Seed Company. These ranunculus come as corms, which are short underground plant stems that serve as a food storage organ for the survival of the plant. They kind of look like little claws or octopus, and even though they look dried out and dead, our next step is to rehydrate them. First, we'll grab 2 mesh bags for our 2 different varieties, Spring Joy and Sunset Glow. We'll carefully fill 1 bag with Spring Joy. The legs of the corms are very delicate and break off easily, so take your time placing them in the bag. Since all the corms look the same, make sure you differentiate the varieties. We'll use 2 different colored rubber bands, so when we plant the flowers, we'll know which one is which. Grab yourself a bucket and place the bags gently inside. We'll test our hose water to make sure it isn't too cold or too hot. Room temperature is ideal. Then we'll fill the bucket so the corms are completely submerged. Soaking the corms is really a way to wake them up and plump them up. Leave these to soak for around 2 to 3 hours to fully rehydrate. We'll keep the hose running ever so slightly to promote oxygen flow to the corms. A water pump works great too. In the meantime, we'll clear a planting bed that gets full sun and good drainage. This spot at the front of our house will look great with vibrant spring flowers. We'll add a good helping of compost to bring organic matter back to this bed and rake that in. Our 3 hours are up. It's time to take these corms out and pre-sprout them. You can see how plump and alive they look now. To pre-sprout, we'll just put some potting soil in a planting tray, place the soaked corms in, and cover them with soil. Pre-sprouted corms will actually bloom several weeks earlier than corms that were not pre-sprouted, so a little upfront work now will bring us earlier blooms in the spring. With a little soak, they are ready for sprouting. Leave the trays in a cool place like a garage or colder room. Roots should appear in 1 to 2 weeks. Gently spritz with water if the soil starts to really dry out, but keep in mind that corms do not like to be soggy. You'll know it's time to plant these in the ground once white roots appear on the corms. We'll add another thick layer of compost and really work that into the soil at least 6 inches down. Then we'll grab our corms and place them about 4 inches apart. Dig a hole about 2 inches deep and place the corm root side down. We'll do this for the whole bed, spacing the corms first, then digging them into the soil. After they're planted, we'll put our drip irrigation line back on the bed. And we'll water these in to help the soil settle around the corms. Our ranunculus will establish their root system all through the winter, and in early spring, we should see the first signs of ferny green leaves, followed by stems of beautiful blossoms. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more gardening content like this.